Good evening, Mr. Bao.
Hello, teacher.
Well, it's good to have you again. How are you today, Mr. Bao?
I am busy.
Oh, you are busy until now or not? Are you
Can you-
still are you still working, Mr. Bao?
Uh, I'm uh, I am at home.
Oh, you are at home now. Okay, so please make yourself comfortable, Mr. Bao, and we will start right away. Let me share my screen directly. And for today, we will talk about what was high school like. Okay, so now we'll have this one. Did you study in your dream high school, Mr. Bao? Did you study in your dream high school?
Uh, I am
Can you hear me, Mr. Bao?
yeah, I am don't speak English.
Okay, wait. Did you study in your dream high school?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you did.
Yes, I do.
Okay, nice, Mr. Bao. Because to what I know, you have to take a test after grade 9, right? Or when you are grade 9, you have to take a certain test and that will um, tell if you can go to your dream high school or not.
Can you writing?
Okay, when you were in grade 9, you have to um, take a test. I think you call it a test, and that will tell.
Um, yes.
Oh, yes. And indeed, Mr. Ra, I must say that you are smart because you were able to pass that exam and studied in your dream high school. Okay, because some of my students they said that that exam was difficult. Okay, so now Mr. Wow will have exercise one. And the first one is math. What do we do or what do we learn in math subject, Mr. Bao?
I love math.
You like math?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So, yes, when we say math, of course, it's all about numbers, calculations, and problem solving, just like what the girl is doing right here. Now, what about this one, Mr. Bao? Science. Do you know science?
Yes, I know science.
What do we do in science subject?
Mm, in
What do we study in
uh, I,
science, Mr. Bao?
I am study science and I usually test the
When you were
chemical.
when Oh, oh, okay. Yes, since science, it is a study of natural world and yes, as well as experimenting. By the way, Mr. Bao, what was your favorite subject when you were a student? What was your favorite subject?
Can you writing?
What was your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Oh, it's math. For me, Mr.
Yes,
Bao, math is difficult. Do you think math is easy?
yes.
Oh, okay. Wow, good for you, Mr. Bao. So, what subject is difficult for you then? What subject is difficult for you?
Uh, I um, l- my my dif my difficult subject is history.
Oh, history?
Yes,
Okay. Well, I was surprised, Mr. Bao, because I know how Vietnamese love how Vietnamese love their own country. And of course, you really study and know your history. Okay, so you find it difficult as well. Okay, next one, Mr. Bao, we have literature. What do we do in literature subject?
I usually writing and
Write and read books.
read. Yes,
Oh, okay. That is right. Now, what about art? Do you like art?
yes. I like art.
Do you know how to draw or paint, Mr. Bao?
I like art, but I don't draw.
Oh, okay. You just admire the beauty of art. Okay. Good thing as well. Now, what about music? Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
What about playing certain instruments, Mr. Bao? Do you play
Can you?
piano?
I know I don't know play piano.
What about other musical instruments like guitar, flute, drums?
Can you writing?
Okay. Do you know how to play any musical instruments?
No, I don't. I don't know.
But you like music, do you?
Yes, I like music.
Oh, who is your favorite singer, Mr. Bao?
I like uh, Tuấn Hưng and Sơn Tùng MTV in single Vietnam. Me.
Oh, yes, I am familiar with that one, Mr. Bao. Okay, I think some of my student, yes, one of my student as well mentioned that he is a great singer. What about English songs, Mr. Bao? English singers. Do you listen to English songs?
Mm, I like
Like maybe Justin Bieber, Bruno Mars.
yes, I know Justin Bieber. Bieber.
Oh, oh, okay. So you are into listening English songs as well. Okay, thank you so much for that. Now, next one we have history. What do we learn in history subject? What do we learn in history subject, Mr. Bao?
I learn data in history.
Okay, you will learn about the history of your own country. Okay, about the past events and as well as the people, how they fought for your freedom right now. Okay, now, okay, we also have PE. Do you like PE,
P.
Mr. Bao? Yeah, do you like it?
Uh, I I don't like PE.
Oh, you don't like PE? Why?
Yes. Mm,
But you are into sports?
um,
Why don't you like PE?
P, PE same basketball.
Yes, Mr. Bao, because PE, okay, this is it stands for physical education. Okay, so in this subject, Mr. Bao, you will learn about different sports, exercises, and physical activity. And as well as in the Philippines, we also it includes dances. Dance.
Yes. Uh,
Okay.
I
You,
like PE.
oh, you like PE now. Okay. Now, the last one, we also have geography.
Geography. Yeah.
Geography.
I learn on tour and then I know tourist and I know tourist
Map.
country. Yes.
Okay, yes, that is correct, Mr. Well, because in geography, we study about places, maps, and the earth. Okay, so that is it. Now, let us practice and tell me what subject you see in each picture. Can you tell me what subject is it?
Science.
Okay,
Science.
what about this one?
Art.
Yeah, the other
Art.
one is science, Mr. Bao. That is correct. What about this one? Okay,
Art.
yes, it is art. Very good. What about this?
Math.
Okay, yes, it is math. Next one.
Music.
Okay, yes, it is music.
PE.
Very good. What about this one?
Geography.
Okay, yeah, geography.
Geography. History.
Okay, yes, history. And the last one.
Uh, uh, literature.
Okay, yes, literature. Can you still remember how many subjects you've had when you were a student, Mr. Bao? Do you do you have 10 or more subjects?
uh,
How many subjects do you have?
physics,
What,
physics,
Mr. Bao?
physical.
Oh, physics. Yes, that is a
Physics, yes.
subject.
Um, I I study math, physics, uh, science, and English, and literature, and history, and geography, and
PE,
PE.
Vietnamese.
uh, Thể dục.
The- I believe you also have Vietnamese subject, right, Mr. Bao?
PE, Vietnamese, Vietnamese thể dục.
Ah, okay. And English. Okay, so you have a lot of subjects in Vietnam, Mr. Bao, because in the Philippines, if I am not mistaken, um, students only have to study around 7 to 8 subjects. Okay, so thank you so much for that. Now let us proceed to exercise 2. Can you tell me what it means when we say stressful, Mr. Bao? Stressful.
Stressful is stressful is making people stressed, and worry, and tired.
Okay, yes, that is correct, Mr. Bao. So when we say stressful, these are the things that you keep on thinking and it's making you feel worried, nervous, or pressure. Okay, that is it. What about you, Mr. Bao? What is making you feel stressful? What makes you feel stressful? Is your job stressful, Mr. Bao?
Mm, yes, but don't usually, but
Okay, just sometimes.
yes,
Okay. So now next one we have useful.
your phone is you have your phone is helpful.
Okay, yes, that is correct, Mr. Bao. So when we say useful, it means it is helpful. It is able to be used for a particular task or it could be in many situations. So it is practical. Okay, so next one, entertaining.
Entertaining. I don't know entertaining.
Okay, so now when we say entertaining, Mr. Bao, it means it is fun, it is enjoyable, or yeah, amusing. Like I found the novel to be very entertaining, which means it's enjoyable. It is fun to read that novel. It captures your attention.
Okay.
Okay, now next one we also have easy.
Easy. not difficult and not difficult.
Okay, yes, that is right. And it means it doesn't need a lot of skill or effort because, yes, as it says, it's easy. Now, can you tell me, Mr. Bao, do you prefer doing easy tasks or difficult ones?
And you writing?
Okay, wait. Do you prefer doing easy tasks or difficult ones?
Sometimes I prefer doing easy, but I want doing difficult.
Why? Why do you want um to do difficult tasks sometimes, Mr. Bao?
Uh, uh, because easy very easy task is very boring.
Yes, I agree with you, Mr. Bao. Okay, so you want to challenge yourself. Okay, so basically, when we say easy task, that is doing the things that is only in your comfort zone. But when you go out of your comfort zone, Mr. Bao, when you do difficult ones or difficult tasks, there you can see how much you are capable of doing other things. Okay, so that's why it's really important to go out of your comfort zone to discover what you are truly capable of. Okay, now, next one, Mr. Bao, we have practical.
I don't know practical. I don't know
Okay,
practical.
okay. Now, when we say practical, Mr. Bao, it is likely to work or be effective in real life situations or yeah, circumstances. So, in easier terms, it is useful in real life. Okay, useful.
Can you translate
Okay.
practical?
Thực tế,
Yes, I know.
Okay, thank you. Now, next one, what about lonely?
Lonely is same alone and unhappy.
Okay, yes, thank you so much. That is on point, Mr. Bao. So when we say lonely, it means unhappy or yeah, alone, isolated because one has no friends or is on one's own. Okay, that is lonely. Now, what about interesting?
In threatening same exciting and making people interest.
Okay, so yes, from the word interest, Mr. Bao, getting someone's interest, it means it is keeping your attention. So it is attracting your attention, probably because it is new, special, or exciting. Okay, interesting, keeping your attention. Now, what about hard?
Not is same difficult and and uh, same difficult and spend a long time
Okay.
for work.
Okay, yes. Thank you so much, Mr. Bao. Yes, it is the same as difficult, or we can as well say tough. Okay, so it is hard. Okay, now, Yes, it is requiring a lot of effort or work. So it is the opposite of being easy. Now let us practice and tell me which of the vocabulary items are positive and which are negative. When we say stressful, Mr. Bao, is it positive or negative?
Stressful is negative.
What about useful,
Useful is positive.
entertaining?
Entertaining is positive.
What about easy?
Easy is positive.
Okay. Practical,
Uh, Practical is positive.
lonely,
Only is negative.
interesting.
Interesting is positive.
Okay, what about hard?
Hard is positive.
Okay, it is positive. Yeah, both easy and negative, both easy and hard, Mr. Bao, they can be both positive and negative. It depends to the situation. But yes, most of the time they are positive. Okay, so now I believe that would be all it for our class tonight, Mr. Bao. Thank you so much for agreeing to reschedule our class for this evening. Have a great evening with your family, Mr. Bao. Be safe. Good night.
Thank you. Good night, teacher.